What happens when entering a plea to criminal charges? Attorney Mace Yampolsky says, in the waiver of appearance and entry of a plea document, there must be a waiver of rights that says, I recognize I have the right to remain silent and the right to proceed to trial, the right to call witnesses on my behalf, the right to confront the state's witnesses, and the right to make the state prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt. I'm waiving these rights. The attorney can appear for the client and conclude the case. If someone pleads guilty to a crime, for example, a drug offense, he will usually attend and complete drug counseling, pay a fine, and agree to stay out of trouble. If he doesn't successfully complete all requirements, he will be convicted of the crime, the suspended sentence will be imposed, and there will be a jail sentence that he must serve. For an out-of-town client, if the case is resolved and there is no suspended sentence, the attorney is able to enter the plea on behalf of the client without a written agreement. For example, the attorney may say, Your Honor, I have authority to enter this plea. My client will plead no contest to possession of controlled substance, will pay a $500 fine, and will complete lower court counseling. In other cases, in which the attorney is able to make a deal ahead of time, the matter can be closed during the first court appearance. The attorney would say, Your Honor, here is the completion certificate for the lower court counseling. I have my trust account checked for the $500 fine. At this time, I move to have the case dismissed. The attorney will then present the judge with an order dismissing the case, and at that time would be able to seal the record. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Mace Yampolsky in Las Vegas, Nevada at 702-843-0939 or visit his website at www.macelaw.com.